A family is en route with their RV to their camping destination in North Europe. From Spain to Norway, the gas locker in their RV is equipped with 2 standard propane gas cylinders. Starting their trip, both cylinders are full of gas. En route, they make some stops and use the propane gas for cooking and heating. Arriving at their destination, they have to replace their empty gas cylinders for new full ones. Since they have Spanish gas cylinders, no shop at their destination will replace their cylinder. In consequence, they run out of propane gas and have to freeze in their RV. The solution for all camper and RV owners: the ALUGAS Travel Mate refillable gas cylinder as permanently installed propane tanks in your RV, camper van, or caravan. ALUGAS Travel Mate refillable gas cylinders. ALUGAS refillable gas cylinders will be installed in the gas locker of your RV, camper van, or caravan to be used as permanently installed propane gas tanks. ALUGAS gas cylinders will be fixed by a solid stainless steel mounting frame with the bodywork of the RV in the gas locker. Fastened gas cylinder fixed with the bodywork provide a higher safety level than normal gas cylinders, which usually are placed in the gas locker without or with light fastening belts, to be removed and replaced quickly by full gas cylinders. ALUGAS gas cylinders don't need to be replaced when empty because they can be refilled at any propane gas station. ALUGAS gas cylinders are connected to an external filling valve, which is attached to the outer body of the caravan to allow the refilling with propane gas on standard LPG filling stations around the world by using the LPG adapter for your country. ALUGAS gas cylinders are equipped with an 80% fill-stop valve, which stops the refilling process automatically at 80% gas filling level.